Just terrible. Industry has really shot itself in the foot starting about 20 years ago. All sorts of short-sighted people that have no idea of the incredible competitive advantage that good research gives to an oil and gas company. Not knowing what kind of advantages it gives the company, they have no idea how to value it. Instead of crediting it as a remarkable asset, they mark it down as a cost. How about organic geochemistry? We were never able to publish a single paper of all the work we did on organic geochemistry, as it was considered so critical to Shell, and yet a decade before any other company, we were sieving prospective areas to eliminate only gas areas at a time when we only wanted oil. We developed the pyrolysis FID equipment, later called Rocky Val. We developed and created vitrinite reflectants with Mrs. Teichmuller long before anyone else had any of this material. We had data on how oil was generated, expelled, and trapped. I went to a Hedberg conference, a Gordon Research Conference on geochemistry, and it attracted people from all over the world, and they were a decade behind what J.T. Smith and I, who attended it, already knew. That was one. Shell developed most of the deep water drilling equipment for the entire Gulf. We sold it at one period in time when Shell felt that it was going to be too many years before they could get into the deep water. We held a school and we charged $250,000 per student to come in, and we showed them the Shell Lockheed system that was later used for Petrobras to develop their deep water fields. Again, way in advance of anyone else, and those things made real money for Shell. When we had the bright spot approach, think of it. We had the bright spots probably a full 5 years before anyone else. And to give you one example, I took that into Cameroon, and in Cameroon, in 1 year, we had 20 straight discoveries, the first 20 discoveries in offshore Cameroon, all with bright spots without a failure in 1 year. We made a lot of use of Shell's research.